Hello friends, in this video I will explain the difference between unity of direction and unity of command. Unity of direction means that all activities which have the same objective should be controlled by one manager. As Fayol says, one head and one plan for a group of activities which have the same objective. Friends, a team with two captains and two plans is unlikely to succeed. While unity of command means that an employee should report to only one superior. Two or more bosses can confuse and frustrate the employee. It can also lead to clashes between the bosses, as every boss would expect his or her instructions to be carried out by the subordinate. So friends, that's it for now, and please continue watching my channel for more videos and please subscribe to my channel. Thank you.